A, enter in working trot and proceed on the centre line. C, turn left. E, half circle left 10 metres. X, half circle right 10 metres. B, A, working trot. A, circle right 20 metres and over X, give and retake the reins. A, K, working trot. K, X, M, change rein and show some medium trot strides. M, C, working trot. C, circle left 20 metres and over X, give and retake the reins. C, H, working trot. H, X, F, change the rein and show some medium trot strides. F, A, working trot. A, halt, immobility for 4 seconds and proceed in medium walk. K, X, M, change rein in free walk on the long rein. M, C, medium walk. Sorry. Between C and H, working canter left. H, E, K, A, working canter. A, circle left 15 metres. A, F, working canter. F, X, H, change rein and over X, change the leg through trot, 1 horse length. H, C, working canter. C, circle right 15 metres. C, M, working canter. M, F, show some medium strides over B. F, A, K, working canter. K, X, M, change the rein and over X, change the leg through trot, 1 horse length. M, C, H, working canter. H, K, show some medium strides over E. K, A, working trot. A, down the centre line. X, halt, immobility salute.